Alright, so from the road straight to our vlogging room, if I may say. Again, thank you so much, Sir JM, for allowing us to taste your kimchi. Sir JM ay isang musician and at the same time, isa siyang napakagaling na chef. Nag-work din siya as a chef sa Suk, Pampanga and isa siya sa mga nakasama namin nung pumunta ng Malaysia. Nag-start lang si UrbanKimchi with one product, of course that's kimchi. And then Sir JM takes pride na yung mga kimchi natin ay mga homemade. Ang sabi niya sa akin, medyo Filipino-ish daw yung kimchi para mga ibang kabalin natin na hindi masyadong hiyang dun sa authentic kimchi, eh matikman din nila yung kimchi. Taste it. Oh wow! Yung kimchi nila guys is leaning towards, I think, the sweet side. Hindi siya gaanong maanghang. Oh wow! So aside from the regular kimchi, meron din siyang kakdugi, which is the radish kimchi. Cube sliced radish. Let's taste it. Wow! This is their tteokbokki. Normally, yung mga tteokbokki or almost all of the Korean dishes are spicy and salty. But upon request, pwede naman sabihin natin yung level of spiciness and sweetness ng mga ino-order natin. Oh wow! So, hindi nga siya masyadong manghang. And then lastly guys, ang titikman natin is yung kimbap rolls. Consists of sticky rice, nori wrapper, cucumber, carrots, crab sticks, cheese, and scrambled eggs. I can attest guys, si Sir JM has enough experience to cook such as these amazing dishes nung nakikita ko siya sa Suk, Pampanga. Wow! So to wrap it up guys, if you are to ask me kung ano yung pipiliin ko dito sa apat na to, I think I would go for their kimchi. For the past 1 year, Sir JM has been mastering this dish right here. So I would go for the kimchi. Last for the road. Wow! For me, this is the best. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like the food you saw in this vlog, make sure to check out UrbanKimchi. As of now, tumatanggap po ang UrbanKimchi ng orders every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of the week from 11 a.m. up to 2 p.m. It depends on the demand, so might probably gonna be available the whole days of the week. So there you have it guys. Have a kimchi day. Have a Korean delight day. Spend it with your family. Thanks for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next vlog. Bye. Peace out.